Hey, what's up? How's it going? I've recently finished doing a quick test paint on some of the models from the kit bashing video that I did a little while back. I'll leave a link to that and the muzzle burn video in the description. Pretty pleased with how some of the pieces came out, particularly the plasma coils. I think that looks really decent. The thought I had too bad a coverage. That was Mephiston Reds of base, Caribou Crimson over the top of most of them. One of them had a Blood Angels red contrast. There's not a huge amount of difference in between. Yeah, hope you like them. Leave a comment on what you think you could do better, what bits you like about them. Thanks for watching.